Hi everyone, I trust you're all doing great. So I promised to send in a video and here it is. Today we're going to be making a coffee cake. So to all the coffee lovers out there, I hope you enjoy this. Even if you're not a coffee lover, I'm sure you're going to like the flavor of this cake. So let's get started. This cake is a quick mix cake. So we have here, I have 1.5 cup of flour, a half cup of butter, 3/4 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of coffee, and of course we're going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So before I do this, I'm going to put all the coffee in our milk. We want it to mix up nicely. We want to dissolve it before we start our baking. So just stir that up a bit and you're good to go. Ooh, I forgot to mention, we have a half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So since this is a quick mix, everything goes into one bowl. So there you go. We have our flour, we have our sugar, we have our baking powder and salt. Everything goes in. Then we have our butter. Let's put that in. Then we have our 2 eggs, our coffee mix. This is already smelling so yummy. We have our coffee mix. And then finally, I'm going to add in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So if you're wondering why we're putting a vanilla flavor inside the coffee cake, always have it at the back of your mind that vanilla enhances the flavors of things. So even for a chocolate cake, if you're going to put in vanilla, it's going to bring out the flavor more. It's going to just taste yummy. So we're going to mix this. Pause for a bit, just scrape down. We're scraping, just to be sure that we don't have any extras under. See, no powder, good. And then we're going to beat this one more time. 2 minutes stops. Awesome. So how fast was that? We're going to pan this right away. So if you wake up on a Saturday morning and you want to impress the family, or maybe we have a new boyfriend, we want to show our math skills we have, good, that is what you do. So just beat this up, put it in, and all you're going to be hearing is, ah, babe, oh boy, I didn't know you could bake like this. Okay, so let's put that there. Then let's tap, 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 and into the oven this goes. 1 hour and we're out, freshly baked and yummy. So it's been 1 hour, our cake is out, looking super pretty. Should I cut it? Yes, I will. And what do we have here? Look at my cake, it's looking beautiful, it's still warm. So try yours, post your cake picture, Let us see what you've been up to, and I'll see you again. Bye guys.